Let's be honest. If you're watching this, chances are you've made some money mistakes. Maybe you racked up credit card debt, ignored your student loans, or just spent way too much trying to keep up. Whatever your story is, here's the truth. You can come back from it. Today, I'm going to walk you through 5 steps on exactly where to start if you're ready to take control, clean up the damage, and finally get on the path to financial stability and growth. Step 1. Stop the bleeding. First things first, you have to stop the bleeding. That means taking an honest look at your current financial habits and cutting out anything that's still causing harm. Are you overspending on subscriptions? Eating out every day? Avoiding your debt statements? This is the moment you stop digging the hole deeper. Start by tracking everything you spend for the next 30 days. No judgment, just awareness. Step 2. Face the numbers. I get it. Looking at the damage can be scary, but knowledge is power. List out every debt you owe, interest rates, monthly minimums, your income and expenses. This snapshot becomes your starting point. You can't build a comeback on blurry math. Step 3. Build a survival budget. Now it's time to build what I call your survival budget. This isn't about investing or saving yet. It's about creating a budget that covers essentials, meets minimum debt payments, stops new debt from piling up. Use tools like the 50-30-20 rule or zero-based budgeting to guide you. Step 4. Choose your comeback strategy. There are a few proven strategies for financial recovery. The debt snowball. Start small, build momentum. The debt avalanche. Tackle highest interest first. Or a hybrid based on your goals and mindset. Pick the one you can stick to and just start. Momentum matters more than perfection. Step 5. Learn and rebuild. You're not just cleaning up, you're rewiring your relationship with money. Read books, follow creators who teach financial literacy, and start saving a tiny emergency fund. Even $500 can break the cycle of debt. Celebrate small wins. Every paid-off account, every no-spend week, it's proof you're changing. Your comeback starts now. Everyone makes financial mistakes, but not everyone owns them and decides to do better. The fact that you're here, that's the beginning of your comeback story. So, stop the bleeding, face your numbers, build a budget, pick a plan, and start learning. You've got this, and I'm here to help every step of the way. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me where you're starting. Let's rebuild together.